I was at an indoor water park yesterday, and it reminded me of a question I get asked all the time. Some people notice they start coughing or wheezing after spending time around swimming pools. Why is that? The chlorine itself usually isn't the problem. It's the chemicals that form when chlorine reacts with sweat, lotion, or other substances in the water. For people with asthma or sensitive airways, those chemicals can irritate the lungs. That doesn't mean you should avoid swimming. In fact, swimming is excellent exercise for many people with lung disease. But if you consistently notice coughing, wheezing, or chest tightness around indoor pools, it's worth mentioning to your doctor. Sometimes it tells us your asthma isn't as well controlled as it should be. If exercise or certain environments make you wheeze, your lungs may be trying to tell you something.